Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd. We will start with crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum today, and then we'll review all the major indices and commodities later. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. Share this channel with friends and family so I can have your support. All right, so this is Bitcoin's daily chart, and you can see this is a yellow box of support, some support here. We went straight up. If this support does not hold, we're going to come straight down. All right, and you also need to remember that BTC, there's a gap around 77K, so this gap will be filled, 100% will be filled. It's just a matter of when it will be filled. All right, so you can see here, we haven't changed the trend yet. You can see this is a high. All right, we made a low. And then now we are making a lower low. Now, if this low breaks, which is around, let's say around 90, 91, 90, let's say 90,000, if we go below 90,000, then this is going to be a change in trend. If we go now here to low, this is going to be a lower high. If we can still bounce, this is 20 moving average, this white line, it's going below that. If we can still manage to close above that and bounce from here, that will be a new high, and that will still be trend will be intact. But if we don't stop here, we come to this box, most likely we're going to break, and we went straight up, we're going to go straight down. So usually whenever we go straight up, we usually go straight down, and then we go probably going to come around 70K in my opinion, and I think most likely this gap will be filled. All right, now you can see here we made a new high. Let me get rid of this trend signal. We made a new high here around 100K, and then you can see the signal on RSI. There was a divergence here. So you can see RSI was making a lower high. All right, you can see clear, nice divergence. PPO had no lower high, but PPO had a crossover. Green line went below red line. We want to see green line above red line all the time, but this had a crossover, and now we're getting a dump. All right, so let's see if we can find support here, which we could. If not, then we're going to come down. All right, so that's just keep that in mind. Ethereum chart is again same thing, divergence making new high, and you can see RSI making a lower high. PPO has no divergence. You can say maybe flat, maybe a little bit of divergence, but PPO also trying to make a crossover right now. You can see green line is about to cross red line. You can see here. So there is also a crossover happening and also a red sell dot. So be careful, guys. On Ethereum, the gaps, there was a gap around 39.49. They might not fill that. Looking like we're getting a on CME futures more downside, 7 and 8 counts dump, and we the next target could be around 2900. Just keep that in mind. And look, let me set recording is going. Yeah, just keep that in mind. This will be the gap we will be filling. All right. Okay, guys. Now let's move to traditional market. SPX, this did not work out as I was thinking, but that's okay. We still have cycle low here, so we could still get next couple of days little bit of dump. We do have a gap up yesterday, so just keep that in mind. This is a seasonality, okay? So seasonality just before Thanksgiving to the new year, we have a nice pump. So maybe it's just favoring seasonality. So things are not working as per cycle analysis, but that's okay. It's a matter of probabilities, all right? And if I do side by side comparison, and if I do, let's do this chart, regression channel analysis chart, MES, we can still go a little higher, I think. Yesterday I showed you this chart. Let this indicator load. You can see here we are right now in the middle. Still we can go above 61.45 by the year end. MNQ, that target should be a bit higher from here. We can go around 21.595 before year end. All right. So let's go to now daily chart. Let me show you here on SPX. You can see there are all the gaps here, and on the NDX also there was a gap yesterday as well. So just be careful here. All right. And right now pre-market, we looks like we might come down. So you can see we had a gap up yesterday. This gap is not filled. If you go to 1 hour chart on Nasdaq, you can see nicely this gap. Even on S&P 500, you can see this gap up. Okay, here a little bit of gap. You can see same thing on SPY. On SPY, we have to go and take all the extended hours back. You can see gap up here, and same thing on triple Q. So I won't be surprised if we come back down today to fill these gaps, which was created yesterday, and then bounce. All right, so just keep that in mind. And this is Dow Jones. Also, a lot of divergences happening, but still keep going higher. DIA ETF, here are the gaps. You can take a screenshot, and IWM also there. Here are the screenshot of all the gaps. Crude oil is finally trying its best. Got rejected again so many times on this 20 moving average. Got rejected today, trying to go higher. Maybe some news, I don't know. Something with OPEC meeting coming, I think Thursday. But yeah, let's see if it can get a pump. That will be good. CNQ still not able to break out. Still, these are the targets, yellow lines. We are just being patient and let's see how things go and shape up. Bonds, nice move. Looks like it finally moved over all moving averages. You can see trying its best. Now it's near in front of 200 EMA. So let's see if it can break out or not here. Hang Seng Index. Bear flag breakdown. Looking for 18,000 at some point to go there. Natural gas 2% down. Looking for this Greenland gap fill 3% around $3. Uh, KOLD is holding nicely above 20 moving average. Let's see if it can still hold and change trend. Looks like it's in a decision time. Are they going to break below this or go above that? We'll see how it goes. Silver is also looking nice, trying to go above this yellow and red moving average. Copper, nice breakout. Wow, I don't know. I wonder what news came. A nice pump, but still in front of some resistance moving averages. Sugar also just pair flagging. Wheat also trying its hard. I want to see wheat above 565 to be bullish again. Corn also trying its best to go above all moving averages. Dollar consolidating in front of resistance, not able to close that. All right. In terms of FANG stock, I don't see anything interesting. Tesla is down because of pay package. Elon Musk rejected the court, Delaware court, so it might come and fill this gap which it created yesterday. NVDA was flat yesterday. Let's see if it can break. It's hardly hanging in here, okay, above these 50 moving average. If it can break down, then it's going to be very bearish. Um, Other than that, I don't see any other interesting. Microsoft is also making a new high, changing in trend. So looks like next targets are these gaps. Google also trying its best. So and Amazon also had a nice move after this dump. Just keep going higher. Again, I'm not really interested in tech stocks. I will see if I get a nice dump in some of these. MicroStrategy, I told everybody this is gonna go down. This looks like a blow off top, high, low, high, low, low, high, and now it's coming to probably 270 or 280 here to fill this gap. Okay, guys, that's it for today. VIX looking for a bounce to fill this 20.42, so I won't be surprised if we get next couple of days of weakness so that we can have some fill in VIX around 20 bucks. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you later. Bye.